All right, here we go. It is follow Unit 3, rolling into Fuse Studio. Our slides are available on Schoology or on the bit.ly 3 November, Quebec, Papa Juliet, Sierra November. Follow along on the slides, daily activities. Check your emails for Schoology. Support your team, sit with your team, work hard and be nice, floor your water. Keep those phones put away. We get with it. We like to move it. It is test day. Go ahead and click in onto that. Unit 3 summative. So our summative report, our standards that we have for today, I can use feedback from classmates to make projects and programs better. I can manage my time wisely so I can get projects done, whether working alone or with partners. I will consider what I did and how the project could be improved for the future, both my process and the overall directions. I can predict how what I worked on could be good or bad for the world overall as we continue into the future. I'm able to create my own work by using the tools provided. How do I use feedback to make projects better? How do I manage my time? What improvements could be made on my challenge? How is my challenge related to the outside world? What work could I create with the provided tools? And I can write what I've learned or speak to what I've learned through this challenge. You have the choice to, of course, type it out or speak it as you do your test today. Our bell ringer is the open forum, final questions before the test. I'm going to go ahead and take a pause here because I'm sure there's so many. All right, our test day PSA will be coming at you. I'll review the depth of knowledge of questions. Your second Fuse Challenge summative report is what's on the docket for today. And then if you finish early, you'll have Fuse Challenge work time all over. It is a silent work period until all quizzes are done. The exit ticket will check in on if you finish things. A few notes before the PSA. Just want to make sure that we are all on the same page. Be sure to check the challenge name. Go ahead and log on to Fuse Studio if you need to. Make sure you have the proper name for your challenge. There are 3 different game challenges. So if you say I did a game, okay, which one? Are you doing the flight simulator? Are you doing game designer? What are you actually working on? There's multiple 3D print challenges. They're recognized for 6th grade. I think there is just Cookie Customizer, but still just make sure we're actually mentioning what our challenge is called. And there's multiple light challenges. So if you just put lights, then I don't know for sure what you're talking about, and it's tough to give you those points. Do remember the details matter. There's 7 questions on the test, but it should not take you 7 minutes. Be sure to answer all parts of the questions that you get. And if there is no change that you would make, if you're saying in response to what changes you might make, if there's no change that you would make, then please give an explanation as to why. That's an important part to include. So that is what I've got for you for today. Live New M will take over with the rest of the class. Have a really great day. Be nice to everybody. We love you, and best of luck on your tests.